Thank you again for taking the time out to watch our videos here at National Gear. This is one of our Western gearboxes that we are doing that runs a large fan, and our mechanics are now getting ready to set all the bearing floats and preloads to the OEM specs. Did a full rebuild, manufactured some new inner components, obviously new bearings and new seals. As you can see, one of the other ones here was just completed. All bearing floats and preloads came out fantastic. Once we palletize this reducer, we will do a final, I guess you would say a final inspection. And due to COVID-19, we actually run a ultraviolet light briefly on top of the box before shipping and packaging, just to assure that we would decontaminate anything that might be infected. So rest assured, we take necessary precautions here at National Gear Repair. In need of COVID-19, our mechanics and ourselves and the whole staff was tested, and we all tested negative, thank the good Lord. So again, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you again for taking the time out to watch our videos. Free pickup, free delivery, and free quotes nationwide. All work guaranteed for 24 months. Thank you.